hard goddamn work being an amateur. But it's good to come down and check on the boat. Oh god, yeah, look, there's loads of water. Welcome back to Amateur Angler, guys. This is what happens if you neglect your boat for a little bit. But look at the state of that. And it's been running for about 2 minutes already. My feet are soaked. But we get there, eh? Good old Guernsey weather. It's chopping it down about 5 minutes ago. Absolutely battered it down. And now the sun's come out to play. We're almost there. It's got a lot less. And here, guys, found out this is like an inspection panel. So if I undo this, this is a cavity between the floor and the bottom of the boat. It's full of water. That is about 4 inches deep, so I need all that water to come out. To help out, I can put in my manual pump, which we fixed the other week. It wasn't quite working because this side came undone, so we fixed that. I can pump that out as well. This is extra. So it's working with what you've got. Sometimes you've got to do that in life. You can see there's a lot of water that I've got in the boat there. It's all running in, coming through. So there's a little hole that goes through there, goes to the automatic pump. Such an amateur. Okay, well, I'm happy with that for now, so I'm going to put that inspection panel back on and we saved the boat. There we go, that's one boat saved. Look after your stuff, guys. Don't be an amateur all your life. You see a lot more of that blue line now. Still some more water to come out, but we live to fight another day. Come on, muscles. Right, see you next time. Love ya.